Well, today is International Overdose Awareness Day. Local health officials say we are at epidemic levels of drug overdose here in the valley. In Fresno County alone, the sheriff's office reporting more than 600,000 fentanyl pills have been seized in the last 4 years.
KC24 weekend anchor Jennifer Ortega joining us now in studio to talk more about the impact. And Jen, there was an event today to educate the community.
Stephanie, there was. They want people to know they're not alone. If a family member or you are struggling with drug use, they're here to help.
I don't want another parent to feel this pain of losing a child.
Elaine Hudson says she lost her son to a fentanyl overdose and says if she had Narcan in her home, it could have made a big difference.
The pill that Frankie got was mostly fentanyl, Unisom, and aspirin. Frankie had 6 times the lethal dose of fentanyl in his system.
Today, CRMC had Narcan demonstrations for Opioid Awareness Day. They showed people how to use it and shared information that could potentially save a life.
You really just have to pick it up, push the plunger inside somebody's nostril, and just wait about 90 seconds.
Professor Race Vora says we're at epidemic levels of drug overdose in Fresno, and it's a hard conversation we need to have.
This is a problem that really festers in isolation. Part of that is really the fact that it's so stigmatizing to have a loved one in your family or to be yourself a patient who struggles with drugs. People do not need to feel alone.
Breaking down the numbers, just in Fresno County, according to the sheriff's office, the number of fentanyl pills seized has skyrocketed in the last 4 years. Just this year, authorities seized nearly 400,000 pills. That's 5 times the amount seized in 2019, which was a little over 71,000 pills.
The pills that Frankie got were pressed pills made from a drug dealer. I found the baggie in his room the next day after he had passed away.
The program gave out free Narcan to anyone that wanted to take one home. Doctors say when using Narcan, you can always give a person a second dose if they don't respond immediately to the first.
We could teach people how to use it. We could teach people what the signs of overdose look like with opioids. And we teach people how to give the naloxone and have them walk away with it in their hand just in case they need to use it.
And doctors say if you need help, you can walk into any emergency room and ask for resources. They'll give you Narcan, no questions asked. In the studio, Jennifer Ortega, KC24 Local News That Matters.